Today I am doing Vauxhall Corsa 2009. That's the common problem is semi-automatic. If you can see, this is semi-automatic. Okay, so sometimes the common problem, the clutch actuator malfunction. And if you go to the diagnostic and then you can diagnose the car, and then you can see here, if you read it, the code will tell you the clutch actuator malfunction P1607. That's the common problem. What's the process? If you have this type of code, sometime cars start and drive, but you can drive like half an hour and then the problems come back, and you can see is sometimes the car is going hot and then is not starting. When it's cold, then it start. If you have like this type of the problems, you have to come to us, and then we're gonna tell you where is the problem. So you have to take it out the actuator or bring the actuator to us, or you will bring the whole car. We will do it ready in 1.5 hours. So if you have, I will show you where is the actuator, so then you can remove itself, and then after that you have to do bleeding on there. But it's better you have to bring the car to us. You can see this is the actuator is here with 4 bolts is on there, 2 plug and downside 2 bolts, and you have to take it out and bring to us, and the car will be ready in 1.5 hours. And my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Henworth Road, Car Clinic. So if you need my number is 07402536382. You can call me anytime. Bring the actuator or bring the car, is up to you. We're gonna sort it out in 1.5 hours. You can see my other videos. We can repair all type of ECUs, clutch actuator, DSG unit, and power shift, all the types of electronics unit, airbag, crash data reset. So you can call me anytime. We can solve your problem. Thanks. Bye. My name is Terry. Thanks. Bye.